Guys, this is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.R.S.N.S.R.C.A.S College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series, we are going to discuss the topic Python logging and debugging in the subject OOPS with Python programming. Python logging. The word logging is a process of recording the events or else recording the events or else that messages or errors that occurs while a programming is running, right? So that we used to call as a logging in Python. So Python, we can able to develop an apps, right? Windows as well as web applications, data analysis, that comparison, price comparisons, that machine learning concepts, artificial intelligence, agentic AI. So we can embed IoT in Python, machine learning concepts as well as deep learning. So many applications can develop with the help of Python code. So in that some situations that errors may occur, right? So that we are going to check over that pop-up message if you want to visualize during the code accessing. So that process that recording events and all we used to call as in logging. Why logging is very important? That helps to track the errors as well as it produce a warning in order to avoid that by the users. It's mainly useful for debugging and larger applications. We can we can develop an applications with the help of deep learning concepts, machine learning, animative effects and all we are embedding, right, in large applications, the e-commerce websites, ERP. So that and all the logging plays a vital role in order to analyze the errors and check over the warnings. So it keeps a permanent record of programming activity. At the same time, it's used in real-time applications and also production systems. It may helpful for developing large applications like e-commerce websites. Logging keywords such as debug, info, warning, error, critical, these are the method we are embedding in order to showcase the logging events. Next thing is debugging. Debugging is a process of finding as well as fixing the errors, or else in technical term we used to say bugs, right, in a programming. So in error we have different types of error, like a syntax error, it may runtime error or else logical error. So that process helps to find an error. We are using some method debugging concept. So that we used to call as a debugging. Example, let's see the Python code. First we are importing the if you want to use debugging to analyze error in a particular code, for that we have to use a debugging module that is none other than PDB. So Python debugging. So after that we are creating the function called divide. So for creating a functions we are using the keyword called def, divide of a comma b. So two numbers are there, so that we are storing in variable a and b. So pdb dot that set underscore trace of, it helps to start the debugging. So the debugging method is starting here, so that we are going to specify with the help of set underscore trace of. And then our coding calculation is none other than that result is equal to a by b. So that by implementing the return keyword, that result we are going to produce. So if suppose b value is normal other than 0, it's executing in a excellent manner. So here I given as x is equal to 10, y is equal to 2. So while call upon divide of function, consider that first parameter as 10, second parameter as 2. Suppose if y value is 0, it's produce an error like a runtime error, like 0 division error. So likewise it's going to debugging. So in this way we are here x value is 10, y value is 2. So successfully the result produced as 5. 10 divided by 2 is none other than 5, right? So by implementing the debugging concepts, suppose if you specify y value is 0, automatically we get the debugging error as 0 division error. So like this we are going to process the debugging module. Hope you understand clearly about the logging concepts as well as debugging concepts. It's one among very important in Python programming in order to develop a large number of applications that are like big projects like by implementing machine learning, deep learning. So for that concepts and all, if you are embedding the logging concepts and debugging, we can easy to avoid the errors in future. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.